What's up, guys? We're back with another food review, and today we're doing Stranger Things, aka Stranger Things collab with Doritos. Collison. So this collision is Cool Ranch and Pizza Flakes. I'm kind of hyped about that one because I put ranch on my pizza. Let me say it again. I put ranch on my pizza. And Doritos like, you know what? Let's put the shits together. You feel what I'm saying? So we're going to taste test these, see if they hit or they should be thrown into wherever the hell Stranger Things thing. I haven't seen Stranger Things yet. I will see it once they finish. You don't rush me. I will see it once it's all done. So yeah, let's go ahead and open up this bag. This is a cool bag though. It's a cool bag. So yeah, let's open it up and smell it. Oh, strong piece smell. Strong piece smell. Now I wanted a big bag, but they didn't have no big bags in my ears. So I just had to settle for the small bag as of now. So let's go ahead and open this up. So as you can see, Cool Ranch seasoning, regular yellow orange chips. Let's go ahead and taste it. Tastes like pizza, and you got that hint of Cool Ranch on the baby end. Consistent pizza ranch. It's like you putting ranch on pizza, so. And the ranch is noticeable, Like it's not just diluted by the pizza taste. You can taste the pepper on the pizza, and then it goes down to the ranch. 10 out of 10. Hell, motherfucking yes. 10 out of 10. Y'all did y'all big one with this one. Y'all did y'all big one with this one. That's the end of the review now. See y'all guys next time.